How to troubleshoot carriage jams in the HP DesignJet T850, T858, T870, T950, XT950, and T918 printer series. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to solve carriage jams and solve main issues related with paper. Depending on the problem, the process and time may vary. HP recommends having these tools to troubleshoot issues: flashlight, scissors, This video demonstrates what to do if you receive the carriage jam notification. Please note that the control panel can display two types of paper error notification: paper jam and carriage jam. If the notification is carriage jam, follow the procedures in this video until you resolve the issue. However, if the notification is paper jam, then watch the video linked below. This video is unrelated to the paper jam message. How to troubleshoot a jammed roll. If the carriage jam notification appears while using roll paper, try the following steps to resolve the problem. Open the roll cover. Open the main door. Rewind the roll to create a loop. Cut the paper if needed. Remove any jammed paper from the top of the printer with care. Remove any jammed paper from the main door with care. When the carriage jam notification appears while using multiple sheets of paper in the tray, try the following to resolve the problem. Remove as much paper as you can from the tray. Unlock the tray using the rotary switch behind it. Pull out the tray. Remove all paper from the tray if you see any. Examine the printer's backside to see if there is any paper inside. Remove any paper you find. Open the main door. If you see any jammed paper, carefully remove it. Replace the tray and double-check that it is completely secure. Use the rotary switch behind the tray to secure it in place. When the carriage jam notification appears while using multiple sheets of paper in the tray, try the following to resolve the problem. Push the two buttons on the back of the printer inwards to release the clean-out tray cover. Remove the clean-out tray cover. Examine the printer's backside to see if there is any paper inside. If you see any paper, remove it. Open the main door. Carefully remove any jammed paper from the main door if you see any. Pull the tray out from the front of the printer. Remove all the paper from the tray. Examine the tray's interior with a flashlight to see if there is any paper inside. If you see any obstructions, remove it. With a flashlight, check the paper pickup area underneath the tray. If you see any paper, remove the clean-out tray cover from the printer's backside by pushing the two buttons inwards. Then remove the paper. Replace the clean-out tray cover and double-check that it is securely fastened. Insert the tray once more. If you get a carriage jam notification while printing on a single sheet, try the following to resolve the problem. Take the single sheet of paper out of the printer. Open the door. Remove any jammed paper. Close the door. If the previous corrective action did not resolve the issue and the Carriage Jam screen persists, try the following to resolve the problem. Check the carriage path. Unplug the cable and turn off the printer. Open the main door. Use a flashlight to ensure that no pieces of paper are preventing the carriage from moving across the entire print zone, from left to right. Important: if the carriage cannot be moved from the right to the left side, do not try to force it or skip this step. If the carriage is on the right side, gently move it to the left and look for a paper at the right end. Check the cutter area. If the previous corrective action did not resolve the issue and the carriage jam persists, try the following to resolve the problem. Turn off the printer and unplug the cable. Open the main door. Remove the screw securing the cutter door with a flathead screwdriver. Remove the cutter door. Using a flashlight, ensure there are no pieces of paper on the left side nor blocking the cutter. Assemble the cutter door. Secure the cutter door with one screw using a flathead screwdriver. Close the main door. If the previous corrective action did not resolve the issue and the carriage jam persists, try the following to resolve the problem. Turn off the printer and unplug the cable. Open the main door. Ensure that the two orange pins were removed during printer installation and setup. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.